Hi friends, it's so good to have you back on the channel. Today we're making healthy veggie rolls with a creamy chickpea base. Start with cabbage leaves. I'm using collard greens, but regular green cabbage works beautifully too. Gently separate the cabbage into single leaves. Place the leaves into a large bowl. Pour boiling water right over them. Sprinkle in some salt and let the leaves sit for about 15 minutes. Lift them out of the pot. The hot water softened them nicely, yet they're still strong enough to hold a filling. Into a mixing bowl, add 300 grams of cooked or canned chickpeas. Drop in 3 cloves of garlic. Grate them, or just chop with a knife. Add the zest of 1 fresh lemon. Then squeeze in the juice from that same lemon. Slice open a ripe avocado. Don't lose me, subscribe now, and I'll always be by your side. Scoop out the flesh with a spoon and add it to the bowl. Stir in 150 grams of yogurt. Now add 3 tablespoons of tahini. Tell me in the comments which city you're watching from. I'd love to know. Mix everything together until combined. Season lightly with salt. Add a touch of cumin. And just a hint of smoked paprika. Blend it all until smooth and creamy. The filling is ready to go. Peel 1 carrot. Slice it into thin pieces. Then cut them into long strips. Slice a sweet pepper lengthwise. Cut each piece into thin strips as well. Slice a cucumber lengthwise. Then cut those slices into long, thin strips. Take half of a small red cabbage. Shred it finely. I'm using a tool, but a knife works perfectly. Go back to your cabbage leaves and trim away the thick veins. Do the same if you're using regular green cabbage. I know every country has its own way of making stuffed cabbage. Share in the comments how you prepare it at home. Time to build the rolls. Spread 2 spoonfuls of hummus right in the center of a cabbage leaf. Smooth it out evenly. If you're using green cabbage, add just a little less filling. Lay down cucumber strips first. Then add the pepper strips. Next, layer the carrot strips. Finish with the shredded red cabbage. Roll everything up gently inside the cabbage leaf. Repeat with the rest of the leaves. A spoon of hummus. A few cucumber strips. Some pepper. Then carrot. And finally, red cabbage. Roll it all up with care. And there you have it, a healthy, tasty vegan roll. Keep rolling until all the filling and leaves are used. I love serving these for a light Sunday brunch and sharing them with friends. Let me know in the comments if you give this recipe a try in your kitchen. Don't miss out, subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Slice the roll in half and enjoy those bright colors and fresh flavor. It's been such a joy cooking with you today. I can't wait to read your comments. See you again in the next video.